Hey everyone, this is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the soft upper doors for the Polaris General from Tusk. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So if you own a Polaris General and you're looking to enclose your cabin, just elevate your experience to get more comfort, to beat the elements, to beat the cold weather, to beat the wet, then these soft upper doors are what I'd say a must-have accessory. You can see right now we've got our Tusk full glass windshield, roof, we've got the upper doors, we've also got a rear glass window on here. It's the middle of winter in Utah right now. It's less than 40 degrees out today. It is snowing on me right now. We're driving out here going 45 miles an hour. I stayed warm, I stayed comfortable. It kept out essentially all the air. So, you know, when it just comes to comfort, these things are awesome. But not just for cold weather too. You know, if you get caught in some rain, you've got some doors to keep the rain out. They keep a lot of the dust out as well. So like I said, overall, just gives more comfort to the driver and passenger when you're out there cruising around having a good time. The way these are made, you've got a heavy duty canvas around the outside. You've got your vinyl window. The frame of this is actually made from powder coated steel. So you got great durability there. And what I love about this window too is just the install process. It's really simple. The door comes fully assembled. So you just take it out of the packaging and to get this installed on your machine, very easy. You've got a nice fit with the ProFit cage on the General, so good seal all the way around. Gonna work with the stock roof and most aftermarket roofs. There's also a Velcro strap on the inside that you'll see. So that's actually there. So when you're going at higher speeds, you'll just use that Velcro strap. That just helps secure the top of the door a little bit better. Now you're gonna have two brackets that will come included. You're gonna install those on the door. So you remove the door panel, install those brackets, and then there's two small holes that you drill into the door frame. And once you've done that, you literally just drop this door into your stock door and you're good to go. You've got Velcro that comes around the entire bottom, so you'll install that Velcro. But once you've done those steps, you just drop the door in. And what's great about that is that if you don't want to use them, they're easy to take off. You just undo the Velcro, pull the door out, put it away, and then put it back on there when you're ready to go out there and have a good time. Another great benefit too, you've got YKK zipper on here, so you've got the zippered window. So if you are driving, you've got the door installed and you want to unzip it just to get some airflow, easy to do that. Zip it back up when you need to be. But overall, awesome door to have. Again, if you want to fully enclose your cab, especially in cold weather, it's just going to give more comfort. It's going to make it more enjoyable for you. If you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours, it's real simple. You can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over 75 bucks, you're free. If you like this product spotlight, we got a lot more just like it. And when you are picking yours up, just remember, enter the make, model, and the year of your General. You're going to be good to go. I am Chase. I'm going to see you on the trails.